AI car modification videos have been blowing up lately and they're surprisingly easy to create. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make one from scratch using AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate your prompts with a custom GPT. First, head over to chatgpt.com/GPTs. In the search bar, type AI car modification prompt, then select the custom GPT created by HitPaw. Click Start Chat to begin. If you don't already have a specific concept in mind, this GPT can randomly generate 5 different car modification ideas for you. Let's try the fourth one, Desert Rally Hyper SUV Coupe. The GPT will then create 2 prompts, an image prompt for generating the storyboard and a video prompt for animating it later. For now, copy the image prompt. Step 2. Create the storyboard in HitPaw FotorPea. Next, we need to generate our storyboard. HitPaw FotorPea is a great AI image generator for this workflow. You can download it using the link in the description. Open HitPaw FotorPea, go to AI Generator, and select Text to Image. Paste the image prompt we just generated, then choose the GPT Image 2 Medium model. After testing several options, I found this model delivered the best results for this type of storyboard. Click Generate. And there we go, a complete 10-panel car modification storyboard. It looks amazing. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into a video. Now, open HitPaw VicP or AI Marvels. Go back to the custom GPT and copy the video prompt. Since AI video generators usually have prompt length limits, I've already asked ChatGPT to shorten and optimize it. Upload the storyboard, paste the video prompt, and select the Seedance 2.0 model. It works perfectly well for this type of video. Set the duration to 15 seconds, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. And that's it. We've created a complete AI car modification ASMR video, from the original concept to the final transformation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you the latest AI tools, creative workflows, and industry updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.